Hello children. So, you have learnt about international system, place value system children, the periods and places, right? So, based on that, exercise 1.3 we have done already. Now, let us start exercise 1.4. So, what is the first bit in exercise 1.4? Mark the periods with commas according to two systems, Indian and international, and write the given number in words in both the systems. So you have to write in words in both the systems and you have to place commas also in both the system. So let us see first sum. Okay. So this is the number given for us. We should write it in Indian international both. So let me take the number first in Indian system children. The same number I copy here. Now first place the commas. Okay. First place the commas and write in words. If you place a comma it will be easy for you to read the number and write the number. Now, in Indian system, how do we place the commas children? Start from ones place. First after 3 places. Okay, that's how ones period will end. Next after every 2 places. Okay, so like this. Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. So, this is ones, thousands, lakhs and then crores children. So seeing the periods, you put the comma and then according to the period wise you read the number and write it. First, 9 crores. What is the number? 9 crores. Next, these 2 digits you read. What is this? 0, 1. Is read as 1. 1 lakh. 9 crores. 1 lakh. 5 and 0 in thousands period. 50. 50,000. 9 crores, 1,50,000 and then the last period 028 which is read as 28. Okay, 9 crores, 1,50,000, 28. 28. That's it children in Indian system. Now let us see the same number in international system. Same number children, let us copy down in international system. Why? Because we need to place the commas again according to international system. Okay, the same number is copied again. Now according to international system, how do we place the comma? After every 3 digits, because every period contains 3 places. So 3 digits. First after 3 digits, next also after 3 digits. And what is this period? This is ones period. Next 3 digits, thousands period. Next 3 digits, millions period. Okay, so period wise you read the number and write it in words. So these 2 digits under millions period read together. 90 millions. 90 millions. Next 3 digits under thousands period. Read them together. 150 thousands. 150 thousands. Next, last 3 digits. 028. 28. Okay? 28. $90,000,000, 150,000, 28. This is how you write it in same number in international system children. So, just copy, write the headings Indian, international, copy the numbers both in Indian and international, place the commas and write the number name. That's all in the first bit children. Remaining sums in the first bit you can complete children. Next let us see the second bit children. Second bit is very easy, just you need to fill the blanks here. A number is given here 7, 8, 3, 4, 2, 5. Okay, now no commas, nothing is given there. But you keep commas according to international system. So after 3 digits, okay, after 3 digits. So it becomes 783,425. Now you need to write down, the places are given here. You need to just write down what places, what digit is there in that place children. What digit is there in that place. For example, first one let us see hundreds place. First one, hundreds place children. What is there in the hundreds place? Hundreds place you know. come from the right side. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. So hundreds place what is there? 4 is there. Hundreds place. So just write 4 in the blank. Okay. So in the same manner you complete the remaining 3 blanks, children. Place name is given. Just observe in that place which digit is there. Just write down the digit in the blank. Okay. So second bit you can complete very easily. Okay. Now let us move on to the third bit. Comparison of numbers, children. Okay, children, see here the third bit. Comparison of numbers. Already we have done comparison of the numbers, children. Then what is the difference here in this comparison? See the numbers. One number is given in international system, other one is given in Indian system. And as I have said earlier that only the place names are different here, but the value in that particular place, the value of the place is same. The value is going to be same. Okay, if a same number is there and you place the commas in Indian and international system differently, you place it, but the value of that number is same. The number is considered to be same. Now see here, first one, children. Now how to compare the numbers? The first thing I told you is count the number of digits. Okay. Now here count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are there, and that side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits only. So digit wise I can't say now. They are like a number of digits are equal in both. Now let's start comparing from leftmost place. Okay, leftmost place, what is here? 5. And here the other number is also having 5. Okay, second, next place 4. Here also I have 4. Both are equal. Next, third place 2. Yes, again here also I have 2. Okay, so then finally fourth place, hundreds place digit I am checking. The hundreds place digit here is 4. Hundreds place digit here is 7. Which is bigger, children? 7 is bigger than 4. So second number is bigger. Or it means first number is smaller. First number is smaller than the second number. So first number is less than second number. Okay, children. Next, come to second one. Here, see the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits are there. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also I have 8 digits. Okay, so now let's start comparing, children. Okay, so here 4 I have digit 4. Leftmost digit, here also I have 4. Next, second place 3, 3. Third place 5, 5. Next, 10,000s place 6 and 6. Finally, thousands place, here I have 9, here I have 0. Okay, children, thousands place, here 9 is there, here 0 is there. 9 is greater than 0, so it implies first number is greater than second number. So this is how you compare the numbers. Now last and final bit here is bit number D. Write the number. Okay, just write the number. Number name is given, you need to write the number. Okay, 7,707,000. So this is the number in international system. Okay, 7,707,000. Just write the places first. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Okay, 100 million. If you want, you can write. Okay, let's leave it. 10 million. Now you just see here 7 million. 7 million. So here two places under millions. You have 7. Only single digit right under the millions place. 7 million. Next, 700. Okay, there are no thousands here, children. There are no thousands. So, but under thousands period, I have 3 places. 100,000, 10,000 and 1,000. So, no thousands. So, keep zeros in those 3 places. And then 707. So, 7 in the hundreds place and then 7, children. Okay. 7. So 0, 7. No tens here. 0, 7. So look here. 7,707,000. How do you place commas now in international system? First after 3 places. Next also after 3 places. 7 million. No thousands here. 7,707,000. So this is how you have to write the number, children. So remaining sums in this bit, fourth bit you can do, children. Just not the number name, second and third bits expanded form is given. Again you can do it very easily. Just find out which places are there, which places are not there. Okay, so you write down the places and just put the digit in that place, and whichever places are not there, put 0 in that place. Okay, so I think you can complete the last bit. Okay children, so try to do all the sums in exercise 1.4. Thank you children.